T-Qapp is a new and innovative tethered cap design that is like no other tethered cap solution. T-Qapp excels over other solutions because it stores the cap by capturing it under the rim of a standard bottle. T-Qapp comes in two versions. The first version fits any standard neck finish, so it is ready to be applied to all beverage products immediately and requires little to no changes to filling, capping, or inspection equipment. In fact, with regard to appearance and size, it is completely interchangeable with standard caps. Since it leverages standard threads, there will be no need to validate the cap for sealing or other functional requirements. The second version of the T-Qapp stores the cap below the rim of the bottle in the same way, but an easy-to-open quarter-turn thread engagement is added. This unique patent-pending design offers significant ease of use to standard cap removal, but also addresses new annoyances introduced by the tether. Specifically, most tethered caps designed to comply with EU 907 now interfere with the drinking and pouring experience of the user because a portion of the cap remains above the rim of the bottle. In addition, the challenge of aligning the threads to screw on the cap has been detrimentally affected. Beyond these annoyances, tethers have taken away rotational momentum, effectively taking away a user's shortcut for opening and closing the cap.
Our innovative cap and bottle design transforms old and new annoyances into desirable features that benefit the drinking experience. T-Qapp offers an opportunity to fulfill the user's environmental sensibilities while at the same time making the user experience better than it has ever been. A win-win. Our cap can be opened by a quick, easy, and fluid motion. The cap may be opened and stored using only one hand and without changing your grip. Less time, less motion, more drinking, and less fooling with the package. T-Qapp is patent pending and available for immediate licensing.